It's your boy BJ. We back with another video. I took that nigga Jeff camera because I run this shit. You hear me?
Family man, so as you guys can see, we are, hold on, clean y'all up real quick. You feel me? We are on the way to the barber shop, bro. I gotta go like 45 minutes to my barber. He finna get me right, obviously. You know what I'm saying? This is the birthday fit. Today's vlog will just be a vlog before my birthday, which means I'm taking my birthday pictures. And you guys are seeing the behind the scenes of everything I do, either on my birthday or like when I take my pictures or whatever. Last time I took pictures, I didn't really get the behind the scene part, so I'm finna get that today. Like the video, subscribe if you guys are new, and also, man, press that like button, no cap. But let's get to it, man. So I'm done. I got the chop, as y'all can see. I wasn't vlogging when I got my chop just cause I ain't got the tripod with. Well, I actually do, but like during the moment I didn't. So that's that. But we here, bro, and we got that boy Twinsky, man. I ain't seen my boy Twin in so long, bro. Like,
Yo, what's good, vlog? You know, it's your boy BJ back with this shit, and we running this shit up.
boy Twin. That boy go watch on them folks. You know what I'm saying? That boy Twin going crazy. But I'm finna take these pictures. I'm gonna get y'all a behind the scene look on that, and then we're gonna get some content in it, and yeah, that'll be that. But this is the birthday vlog, bro. So y'all won't be seeing this until like after my birthday or the day of. Not really sure, but y'all will see it. So yeah, let's get to it, man.
We gonna do something like this, you know, so that we
Man, so we done, bro. Underground, you know what I'm saying? I got the new piece for the birthday. Y'all won't be getting this video till either my birthday or like after my birthday. But the video is already done. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Yes, I go watch on them folks, you know what I'm saying? Ring on them folks, you know what I'm saying? Hey man, I'll see what we doing. But I love y'all, bro. This is not the end of the video. This is probably the end of it, I'm not sure. But I got a couple videos, clips in this. But yeah, bro, a lot of promos going on in 2025. I hope y'all have a good Christmas. I hope you guys have a good New Year's, and obviously stay safe because a lot of things go on in this world and wherever state you in. I'm boy doing this outro back there, but I love y'all folks, bro. I'm gonna get to y'all when I get to the crib because it's finna be a little drive to the crib, but that's that, bro. I'm gonna get back to y'all soon. Okay. Man, go big boy, big pants on them folks. Bro, who told you come out looking outside like that, bro?
I just switched it. You said the regular dude. They had to switch them bitches out real quick.
But that boy Twin went like overly steez pants on them folks, boy. Not gonna lie, so we go little small, little, you know what I'm saying, custom. I ain't gonna cap, I got these shades on so it look a little darker than like how it is, but we go beanie on the top, little you know what I'm saying, graphic on the shirt, you know what I'm saying, on the pants, you know what I'm saying, fitted it, and I got folds on the feet, bruh. You know what going on. I ain't gonna lie, bro, the people is like literally tuned in, like staring. But we finna go to the spot, and I'm gonna keep the camera rolling though, cause I realize like as I talk to y'all, bro, it makes it a lot more entertaining. You feel me? Like it's a lot more entertaining than like usually. But yeah, bro, I'm outside, and if like it sound loud, it's probably cause my mic not on. But y'all know I'm gonna get y'all folks right, man. Never turn y'all down. So like, it's the 20th, bro. My birthday on the 22nd. So what I'm gonna need y'all folks to go do is I'm gonna need y'all to go, you know what I'm saying, go on the ground and go tune into the, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know what it is. I ain't gonna cap. We finna get us a little .5 right here. No cap, skate. But yeah, bro. Y'all already know how our lifestyle is, bro. This is what we like to do. Just a young boys working. You feel me? Like, that's what we like to do. Just work. And yeah. But I'm just yapping. But like, I know what I'm talking about though. But so we just finished up the little picture joint, as y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? We had a little audience watching us or whatever. But that's cool though, cause that's what I like personally. But yo, bro, we finna go up in this joint. My boy Twin gotta go do some shopping for my Dukes. You feel me? And to everybody out there, you feel me? Merry Christmas, cause y'all ain't gonna see this until after my birthday. I don't know if it'll be before or after Christmas, but Merry Christmas to you. I love you. And y'all be safe. I'm gonna hit y'all when I get inside. If y'all like the little vlogs, bro, I'm trying to like make them a little bit longer. But if y'all like the vlogs, then what's up, Ski? The black ones? Steez, bro. He just got me right, bro.
You can take a look at them. Got it.
Boy, Twin shit got me right.
They added more songs too. Last time I checked, bro, I had got the last one me in there.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. What was I saying? Oh, I was saying, do y'all like the vlogs? Like, you know what I'm saying? I can make them a lot more longer for y'all and give y'all like a lot of content. For real, cause that's what I'm like trying to do for real. I don't wanna be just trying to do like sit down videos, cause I know sometimes they get boring. So if y'all like the vlogs, I'll for sure go out shopping or just go out with the bros and get y'all some content for real, like the smallest amounts. It really don't even matter for real. But yeah, man, I'm finna look through these jeans though, cause I'm not focused. I'm finna look through these jeans and get back to you folks. Hold on. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It's music on in here, so I'm gonna hit you folks up in a minute. I ain't gonna lie, my diamonds clanking and jangling and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all folks second. That boy Twin yapping, man. But yeah, YouTube skate. What the f going on, P? But we at the mall. You know what I'm saying? My fault. Hold my arm up, show my wrist. You feel me? But yeah, bro. Walking out this joint. And I'm gonna get to you for. I'm finna go to Auntie Anne's real quick though. Cause the youngin' is hungry. And I'm finna go smash on some food. But I ain't gonna lie, some little shorty just tried to like riz me up. Twin, you think she tried to riz me up?
Yeah.
She just tried to riz me up. But
she was slick hating on the kid.
yeah, she was
she said,
though.
You don't got a camera. I said, okay, cool. I really could have dog. She didn't say you working though.
Nah, facts.
I never worked a job in my life.
Nah, facts,
I don't
bro.
really know. It just
But
makes me talking shit and be crazy.
nah, fact. But I ain't even catch on to it till just now though. I ain't even hear it. That's crazy as hell.
Crazy slick shit. I just left
But
it alone.
nah, that's what we do, bro. You made your purchase.
Folks hated it, but why they working though?
No cap, bro.
Folks who working, you gotta watch.
Start that business, bro. Fuck what that nigga talking about, bro. Go start that business, bro. Go start that channel, bro. Go start that Instagram, bro. Go start that brand, bro. You got that shit, bro. Fuck what niggas talking about, man. Fuck what niggas talking about, man. That's it.
Stay down to the camera.
Ain't gonna cap it down, bro. And what's the name of this spot? Candy store?
Candyland.
I'm gonna give you a shout out, alright?
Yeah.
Come to the Candyland, man. They'll get y'all right. My boy got it right. You know what I'm saying? They got different flavors too.
Best candy in the world.
All on the wall, they got different ones, man. Like, come get right, bro. Okay. I'm gonna hit y'all folks up though when I get out this motherfucker. Okay.
3-0.
3-0, bro. I ain't gonna cap y'all. I'm 1-0. I got one girl in champs. I got her at. We on a mission right now. Well, we ain't on no mission, but I got 2 more to go. Yeah, we just walking around. And this shit light work, but yeah, I'm going 3-0 today. I'm 1-0 right now. And we're gonna see what today bring though. I ain't gonna lie to you. We're gonna see what today bring. Whatever that bring is how it ends, no cap.
You know what I'm saying, man? See what I'm saying?
Get on that Twin, talk a little game for them.
Bro, you gonna see the clip when you edit the video. You gonna see the clip when you edit the video, man. Hold on. Bro, y'all go tap in with a nigga, man. You know what I'm saying? Real deal. Hold on. You know what I'm saying? Tap in with a nigga, man.
Nah, let me stop. Nah, alright then, y'all. So, we in Zara right now. And them Yeezy stuff too. We in Zara right now. I'm not finna cop nothing. But, you feel me? Jeff vlogging, having a good time. I ain't gonna cap. I'm 1 of. He sound 1-1. I'm 1-0 though, bro. I ain't asked for the app, but I hate this one shorty. You know what I'm saying? Got the app. I told y'all in the last clip, but that's besides the point. If you here sub to the channel, bro. Like, sub to the channel, like the video, and stay tuned for next year's content, man. Cause 2025 finna be a movie for sure. No cap. YouTube, what's going on, bro? So I couldn't bring the camera in because your boy, you know what I'm saying? The camera died, but I'm on my phone though. We at Benny Honda's, and this is a Friday. It's not Saturday, it's Friday. Tomorrow I leave. Tomorrow night I gotta go to the Yammy ski. It's gonna be a blast, but I don't know what I'm finna get, so I'm gonna get to y'all when I know what I'm finna get. Alright y'all, man, so we are back. I ain't got my camera with me, but you know what I'm saying, this was the before and after. Smash down. I got my brothers with me outside, showing on food, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, man, the boy is turning 21 on Sunday, so stay tuned for this vlog. Like I said, this video gonna probably drop on my birthday or a day after, I don't know, but it will be before Christmas though, so y'all stay tuned for that. I love y'all, folks. This will be the end of the vlog. I'm gonna catch y'all in vlog number 2 next year, because this year's finna end, and we got more fashion contents on the way. So y'all stay tuned for that. Be on the lookout. And yeah, man, I love y'all, folks, bro. Next vlog will be in 2025. Hope you guys stay safe. Happy New Year's. I love y'all. Y'all have a good one, man.